How to activate your home hardware credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate your home hardware credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, simply search for home hardware credit card. After you do that, you can head over to the official website, or what you can do is simply search for financial services here. So after you do that, you will find this home hardware financial services. Head over here. So after you're on this website, let it load. Now the first thing that you'll need to do to actually activate your card is log in into your account. So to log in into your account, tap on this login option. Let me open that up in another tab. And let's log in here. You can type in your email address and finally your password. Then tap on the login option. Then you'll have logged in into your account. You can also reset it if you have forgotten it. After you do that, you can come back to this page and right here you'll find an activate option. So there, after you find the activate card option, simply tap on that and follow the prompts. After you follow the prompts, you might have to give your personal information such as your card details, and doing that your card will get activated. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.